Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming back with another video, and this video is going to be me doing this look. It was very difficult because I have a baby, but so yeah, if you see me doing the most in the video, that's because I have a baby and she was just acting crazy while I'm trying to do the video. So yeah, so this is my second video. What I plan on doing on my channel is basically like makeup, hair, you know, beauty stuff. Yeah, so yeah, if you have any questions or anything, just leave them down in the comment below. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because there's gonna be more videos coming soon. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.
No pretty petite, pretty thick, pretty white teeth, body unique. Ass on peach, ass on squeezy. Give me that meat, give me that mouth, give me that deep. Making me scream, making me shout. We making a scene. Wait, your nigga up all in my DM. I do not reply, don't need him. You'll say I'm about my per diem. He cannot provide, I can't meet him. I don't like his vibe, I ain't feeling him. Got a bad little body just like him. Except my shit real unlike him. Bitches don't like me, I don't like them. Been up on my shit, been a boss bitch, and ain't none of these niggas gon' tell me shit. Been a big bitch, never been a snitch. Now I'm in a tank fishing with the big fish. Cold blooded got me swimming with the sharks. Never been afraid, I ain't scared of the dark. I'm so rare, got it mine from afar. Like you're looking at a star, cause I'm raw. And bitches be poppin', all in my face, get up off me. Me and your nigga, we locked in, and no, you can't stop it. Can't take him back cause we rockin'. Me and my best friend like Batman and Robin. Baby like Robin and Batman. Ain't no side kicks, bitch, ain't no side stepping, nah. Yeah, we'll break you off in a second. Put us together, make a lethal weapon. Ain't no suggestion, fuck what you talking about, nigga, I ain't finna settle. I see these bitches that's popping, but half of these bitches is not on my level. Got a bad attitude, I'm a rough bitch. Tell a nigga what to do, cause I run shit. Please don't ever come at me about no fuck shit, cause I'ma tell you like this, she got the wrong bitch. Hold up, who? Get up on my face, man, tell a nigga shoot. You ain't got the guts, you ain't even got the juice. You the type to aim the gun, but you probably won't shoot. Nigga with no funds can't confront me, buy shit all up in the front, bitch, catch me in the cockpit. Face on his heart like a motherfucking locket. Hoes wanna block it, tell a bitch stop it, please. Been up on my shit, been a boss bitch, and ain't none of these niggas gon' tell me shit. Been a big bitch, never been a snitch. Now I'm in a tank fishing with the big fish. Cold blooded got me swimming with the sharks. Never been afraid, I ain't scared of the dark. I'm so rare, got it mine from afar. Like you're looking at a star, cause I'm raw. And bitches be poppin', all in my face, get up off me. Me and your nigga, we locked in, and no, you can't stop it. Can't take him back cause we rockin'. Me and my best friend like Batman and Robin. Or maybe like Robin and Batman. Ain't no side kicks, bitch, ain't no side stepping, nah. Yeah, we'll break you off in a second. Put us together, make a lethal weapon.
La ciencia. la ciencia.